we are unboxing more Poppet Pets Season 2 because we love them so much, and I may have gotten 7 more. It's fine. Whatever I'm not using, I've been trading for the most part, so like that's good. Let's see what that feels like. The keychain, so we're gonna start here. I feel like people want the petite ones to come out already, but they haven't. That's Skipper. Skipper is a dupe for sure. Oh, there's one in here still. Norman is a dupe. Do I have Scholar and Scribble? Don't think I have Scholar and Scribble. But do I remember where I put the little... No? Absolutely no. Okay, that's fine. I didn't even show you guys this. I'm sorry. My brain. I think it's melting from the insanity I call living in Arizona. This one's Mega Boomer. And this one's Galactic Grig. If you don't know what that looks like, you can go on other videos. Alright, bye.